Alright, so I'm going to try and focus. So I'm going to cut my soap. This is the blackberry. It smells amazing. However, it did the same thing. That's very pretty, actually. Oh, see the very end there? That's the part of the cheese cutter. It accelerated pretty fast. So I'll just put that back here again. And I'm making these, I believe, 1 inch. Makes a pretty thick bar, actually. So when I put the fragrance oil in, the soap started to thicken really fast. So I didn't have a choice but to pour it right away. It smells really good, though. And this is the, I think it's called Blackberry Bordeaux from Candora Soap Supplies here in Canada. But I shouldn't have put my water discount so low. I put it, I think, at 33. I probably should have left it at like 38. But that's how we learn. Those roads are nice, though.